Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos that I include at the end of the video. If you're interested in sending in photos for these, I do them every other Sunday. This is the email address right here to send those to. Before those photos go up, I have some photos that I took at Pender Nursery this past week in their perennial section. And before that, everybody wants to know the Plants by Mail gift certificates giveaway. For those of you who didn't participate in it, didn't make a comment on the video, I have Plants by Mail has given us 3 gift certificates worth $50 each. One is being given away on Instagram, and the winner of that one is S Trees. And then a $50 gift certificate on Facebook. And from the comments on that one, the winner of that one is Mary Benton. And the third $50 gift certificate, I'll show you the random drawing right now on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching these videos. The channel hit 17,000 subscribers this week and also went over 2 million views. So I appreciate all of your participation in all of these, in the videos and commenting and liking and you know, everything that you guys bring to this, because without you watching, I would have no reason to really be doing this. So thank you very much for all of that. And also, I already have 2 more upcoming giveaways for later in the summer. So I look forward to doing those sometime, probably one in July and one in August. So thanks again for watching. And here is the YouTube winner and the photos. Here's the random comment picker. I just put the video in. It loads all the comments that were made on the video, and then we randomly pick a winner, and the winner is Tracy58. Thanks to everyone who entered. The 3 winners, if you just contact me through my email address that I put up earlier in the video, and I'll put it up again right now, I'll get those gift certificates out to you. And if I haven't heard from you in the next few days, I'll try to contact you directly. Thank you very much to everyone for watching.
All right.